थोड़ा सा बॉलीवुड, थोड़ा फ्री स्टाइल. Let's dance in V style. Hi, my name is Vamika and I am teaching Gehra, which is very beautiful song and very beautiful weddings and ladies dance. So let's start with first steps. So our first step goes like this: left, right to chest, turn from left, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So before we start first steps, I would love to teach how to take entry on stage. So now I'll show you how to take entry on stage. I'm going off stage. So my legs goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Practice and continue with music, and I'll show you with music from here to first paragraph. Okay, now we'll go with the second step, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's practice with music. Third steps goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's practice on music. So steps goes 1, 2, circle, stop, stop, stop. With music. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell so you will not miss any chance to learn any new dance. So this is Vamika and please like and subscribe. तो आज का ट्यूटोरियल ख़त्म होता है यहीं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग के साथ और नए स्टाइल के साथ. टिल नाउ, बाय बाय.